Oh, what a pull. Left, hard left, hard left. Evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to go out and do a quick POV victory drive in the Golf R, as it did win out 2-1 over the GTI in the recent which one to buy sort of video that I've just done. Check back on the channel up there somewhere and you'll be able to see that video getting done. But just before we go, just for you Zach, this is how we do it. Now we want to get the performance monitors on here. Zach seems to be struggling. Now I will get fuel before we go as well. So at the moment we're just on this screen, which is my radio. So all I'm going to do to get onto the performance monitor screen on here is I'm going to press car, right? And it brings us to this convenience consumers. Just press it again. Well, that's not it. Press it again. That's not it. Press it again. That's not it. Press it again. Bosh. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, Spot's the dog, and Tom's the cat. Let's boot it. Okay, fuel is taken on board. That is me. Prepare for takeoff. Right, I'm going for a new format with my POVs, which is, I've no idea where I'm going. But thank you, Mr. Morrison, for your rocket fuel. As expensive as it is. Okay, let's just pop it down into race, why not? Okay, so it's Sunday evening everyone. I've got the key in my pocket, which is annoying me. Sunday evening everyone, and it is 1916. That's not the year, that's the time. There's a man having a nice stroll and he doesn't care. I don't care about it. Okay, so we'll go out this way when we get there. So Zach, I hope you've managed to get your performance monitors on. Just keep pressing it, as I said. Keep pressing it. So this is actually my route to work. Generally, obviously not going to work Sunday afternoon, or Sunday evening now I should say. So that is the Prince's Royal Hospital, where you'll sometimes find me. So it is getting a bit darker, as I said, so it probably will turn into a night drive. But it's getting to that time of year where I think most of my drives will be night drives. You don't get the sound of the air intake. So it'll probably look still quite light, but it is getting dark now. The Golf R just eating up the road as usual. Okay, so let's blast it down here. Thanks to everyone that's starting to hit that subscribe button. Starting to grow the channel, getting a little community, getting lots of good comments now. It's all good, love it all. Thanks everyone. Been enjoying reading all the comments and replying. I'll try and reply to everyone's comments. Come on then, Golf R, yeah. We're not even in race, we are now. Oh, bloody hell. If a few more of you hit that subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Really still high percentage on people watching and not subscribing, but that's okay. If it's not your thing, it don't matter. Do what you fancy. I'll keep going anyway. Around these crazy bends. Oh, what a pull. Left, hard left, hard left. You don't always get the speeds around these corners. Hard right. Four-wheel drive, so good, isn't it? Can't see what's coming around here. Okay, good. Okay, double bends. Slow. Cheeky ones. Oh, he was all over the road, you see that? What chance have you got? Down a hill. Ooh, yeah. Left, hard left. Tiverton. Yeah. Can't see. Very uneven. Quite a few bumps in this bad boy. Okay. Can't see anything around here, I don't think. There we go. Nice. Slow. Yeah. See, it's quite dramatic what I'm doing here. But the camera won't make it feel dramatic. I know that from watching the videos back. I had planned this on being a short video, but this is too much fun. Oh, there's lots of flashing lights coming the other way. What we got going on? It's a spacecraft. That's what it looks like to me. I don't know what it'll look like on the camera. Two spacecrafts on just hovering on the road. Oh my goodness. All right, Mr. R. I've just turned around, everyone. We're going to head for home. I was worried that the camera's not in a good position. I don't need to just be looking at my legs, but I'd like you to get a bit of this as well as we go. So the sat nav's on now, so that's where you can see, so I can get the route home. Stay there, thank you. Now this is the road where the two spacecraft just went past. So we might see them again. Flat, yeah. So I could slow down because, oh, here's the spacecraft. Right, oh, spacecraft. That's what the spacecraft look like from the back. And we're off. 48. shouting. Left again, coming up. Okay. Still alright through it. Commit. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. 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 Yeah. Put the brake on a bit there. Slow. Yeah. Dab a brake and I was right in there. That's all it needed. Dab, turn in. Just a little bit ease off because there's a car, and then we can go again. A bit uneven. And see the darkness starting to fall a bit now. Round to the right. Left. Okay, back into some S's. Are these the ones that weren't that sharp? Okay, hard left. That is hard left. And then the other one. Yes. Brakes. Down. Yeah. Brakes. Round. Yes. Brakes again. Oh, the Golf's just rearing at me today. Oh, there's a wrecked car there. Can we see that? Fiesta. Wrecked by the side of the road. Well, the door's off anyway, by the looks of it. Okay, last bit everyone, here we go. Don't turn, don't you turn. As if he was going to try and have a turn there. So again, I think this is going to be a bit of a straight bit. There's a few turns in it, I think. So please hit the subscribe, everyone. Keep the channel growing. That's been great over the last few weeks. Absolutely brilliant. Can't believe it. Remember everyone, it is free to subscribe. I don't know whether you know that. Maybe you don't. It is free. Hit the like, that helps the videos to get spread about. I don't know whether you know that. You do now. Getting a bit darker now. I've flipped off a bit there. Yeah. See, I'm not even out of fifth gear. Not even out of fifth down there. Okay, POVs on both sides, everyone. Thanks for watching the quick POV. Check you next time.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.